There's a sound in the wind tonight, a cry from the mountains, a voice from our ancestors. Haiti, we are still here. Mother prays beside a candlelight, hoping tomorrow will finally be kind. Her children sleeping with empty hands, still dreaming bigger than this broken land. The city burns with silent pain, but deep inside we still remain a people no storm could ever erase. A fire still lives inside our veins. We've fallen many times before, but we always rise again, because freedom was born here in the blood of our fathers. When the flag rises, so do we. Blue and red forever in our hearts, even through the tragedy. When the flag rises, hear our cry. We are the children of Haiti, and our spirit will never die. Far away across the ocean tides, the diaspora still carries Haiti inside. Every song, every prayer, every tear brings them closer to home each year. And though the roads are filled with scars, we still believe beyond the dark, because a nation built by warriors can never truly fall apart. Excellence, hear us now. Guide your children through the storm. To say, show us how to stand again. Haiti, your soul still shines. Your soul still shines. Your soul still shines. When the flag rises, the world will know Haiti's heart still beats with fire deep within our souls. When the flag rises, raise your voice for the ones who fought and died, so we could still have hope. One flag, one people,